I got a comment on my video this morning. Is Hive the next Iran? Should I be buying Hive? And the answer is no. There will be no next Iran. The fact is that Iran and data centers, they've had their day in the sun. They've had their surge. NVIDIA's had its day in the sun. Yeah, we know Micron's going to sell all their chips. Everybody knows that. So is NVIDIA. But that's not where you're going to get your 100% gain in 1 year, 2 years, even 3 years. You've got to, as Wayne Gretzky says, you don't skate to the puck. The puck is in NVIDIA. The puck is Apple or Amazon or Google or Iran. No, you skate to where the puck is going. And that's what most people don't realize. We don't chase the puck. We go to where the puck is going. We use our vision to see that the puck is there with number 72 right now, and he's going to slap it into the left corner, and that's where I have to go so that I'm set up to put that puck into the goal. You skate to where the puck is going. So where is the puck going, Kerry? Well, you're genius. The puck is going to where AI is going to change your life, to where AI is going to offer you something that you can't live without. And you will pay $19.95 for it, or whatever the price is on it, because it's going to make your life better. Heck, it might even make your career better. It may give you the opportunity to become a millionaire or a billionaire, because it is going to change the world. So where is the buck going? I believe it's going to advertising. I believe KVYO and MNTN Mountain are real opportunities, as is Zeta. I believe from the research that I have done, that's where the puck is going. Because they're going to take AI and they're going to offer it in such a way, it's going to change my life. It's going to make my life better. I'm going to be able to make better decisions so that my life is better. I also believe it's going to go to QXO. It's going to revolutionize the housing industry and the building industry. I believe it's going to go to REAX, because my research tells me they're taking AI and they're going to simplify the real estate agency. They're going to bring everything into one house, so I don't have to go to a bank and a title company, and I don't have to search. Everything will be done through AI. I won't even have to have a real estate agent. It'll all be done for me. I'll have a access where I merely say, this is what I'm looking for in a home. Now you, Samantha, you go find it for me. You find the home, and then you negotiate the price for me. You tell me what I should pay for that house, what interest rate I should pay, how I can improve my interest rate, and I'll have it all done for me. That's where the puck is going. That's where the money is to be made. Don't skate to the puck. Micron is excellent. And they're going to sell every chip they got. And so is NVIDIA. But it's not going to go up 100% in the next 12 months. But these are, because they're going to put your face on TV ads. They're going to follow you to the checkout, and you don't check out. And they're going to send you an email and say, hey, we'll give it to you at a better price if you buy today. Yeah, they're going to do that so that you have a better life. So that you don't say, well, damn, I wish I had. No, they're going to give it to you like you've never had it before. And you'll pay to have it. Okay? Or the seller of the product that you're interested in buying will be in a position to give you a better price. It's all going to happen. So don't skate to the puck. Use your intellect, use your AI to answer the question, where's the puck going? That's where I want to go. I'm Kerry. I'm a retired financial advisor. Investing is an art that is not taught. If we understood investing, we wouldn't ask, what's the next NVIDIA? There is no next NVIDIA. It's the next stock that's going to make my life better. That's what we look for. And we create a formula that tells us what has to happen in order for this stock to gain control of its segment, and its price will then logically go up. It's all logic. It's all accessing the data. That's what I do. My name is Kerry. I'm the founder of Best of Us Investors. I'm changing the way investing is done.